All right, guys. Monday, December 9th. Here in the stop. Turn it around. Looking over here. What we got here is the Yankee Stadium. This is an old stadium and a station which was repurposed as a baseball stadium. You see the old lamps were different, by the way. And they try to cover the means of electricity that was previously used. Keep going up. The old lamps again. These lamps, not new. Trust me on that. Let's see something. The corners of the tops. There's a triangle there. Now, New York's graffiti there. Graffiti Kings, known for that shit since the Boogie Down days. You already know. Part of hip hop culture. We're about to come to a close right here. It's raining. All right, God bless everybody.